Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2788th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. We love you guys. Hey, good information coming at you. Very short video, so pay attention. This video coming at you on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, August 13th, 2024. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky. There is almost no more riskier business financially than the one you are choosing to enter into if you are a day trader. So please know that you've got to put stops in, put them in first. This is a risky business. Yes, money can be made, but you got to respect the risk. Put those stops in first. Let's get moving. So, for trading on Tuesday, August 13, 2024, you're looking at the Russell 2000 daily bar chart. Now, I am here to say, traders, that the Russell 2000 told me to tell you one thing only. Bye-bye, goodbye, we're going down. What does that mean? Well, here's the picture. Check this out. You've got what we're uncertain. Is it a bull or bear flag in some of the indices? Looks kind of more bear flaggish in the Russell. That was from a few days ago. But look at what's happened since. We've got 6 failed attempts to get above OTAPMA, the OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. And I say that equals goodbye. We go down tomorrow. At least we're starting off on the downside. Russell is going down tomorrow. You don't bounce off the OTAPMA 6 times just to smile at it and say hello, number 7. You start to move lower. We will move lower. There's already been 6 failed attempts. Can it be 7 failed? Of course it can be. But I think 6 is probably enough at the top of a possible bear flag with a red OMNI signal for trading on Tuesday. That's enough to make me want to go short. I don't know about you guys. So we're going to sell the rallies if we can get a fill. Please subscribe to my OMNI recommendations so that when we're going to trade, you get a signal and you can trade along with us and take these OMNI recommendations as they come out. What else do we have, traders? So you see it doesn't look very good in the Russell right now, right? I mean, that just doesn't look good. That looks like a bear flag. You're below OTAPMA, 6 failed attempts, red OMNI. None of that looks good. I've got another chart to show you as well. Check out this one. Actually, it is 18, not 19. This is your Bitcoin. So we did indices. Now we're going to do our cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin being the leader of all. We have seen this chart in many videos. Remember, we got all the way up to that do or die moment. And it failed again, came down. Well, let me show you what's going on. Check this out. You first filled this gap over here. And then you filled this gap right here. And now that both gaps are filled, look what happened. It went just about to the high of the gap, right? And then dropped. So it ran up to fill the gap, which it did do, and it's heading back down. And I think how goes the stock market tomorrow, likely how goes Bitcoin. I am not looking for a crash. I'm a day trader. I'm looking to sell the rallies for a one-day trade. That's in the Russell, maybe the Bitcoin too. I hope that helps. Let's go back to Russ for just a moment. Remember that this guy, I think, is showing us everything we need to see. Goodbye for at least a day in U.S. indices. We should head down. We will be selling rallies at the OMNI Trading Academy at livewithoscar.com. But here's the exciting news. A free live webinar this Thursday, 2 days from now. The video that you're watching is for trading on Tuesday. 2 days from now, 8:15 on Thursday, 3 p.m. is my portion. A live webinar where I will go over a multitude of charts and try to figure out where we're going next so you can use that information from that webinar forward to hopefully make money. That happens in 2 days on Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time, or whatever you call that. EDT, I guess that's what it's called. It's not Daylight Savings right now, though, so I don't get it. In any event, the link below will be waiting for you. Click on that link. Join me on Thursday. There'll be a lot of people performing. I will start my portion at about 3 p.m. Eastern. I hope to see you there. Link is below. Barring that, you see the picture here, right? I think that speaks for itself. I don't think we need to do much analysis there. Picture speaks for itself. Make sure you subscribe to my Recs. the platinum subscription so that you know when I'm going to trade. And then remember, keep your emotions out of this game. How do we do that? We put our stops in first. That helps a lot. Then, if we're in a trade, good, bad, or indifferent, we say this to ourselves over and over again. And by now, you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Tomorrow night I'll get in front of the camera and show you a bunch of more charts. Make sure you're there. And certainly click the link below and sign up for my live webinar this Thursday. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in my trading room at livewithoscar.com.